What if one natural substance could boost your energy, improve nutrient absorption, support hormones, protect your brain, and slow aging? Basically, resetting your body to the way it was meant to work. That's exactly why Shilajit has been used for thousands of years as a way to restore health and vitality. It seems that some people today are doing everything right. They're eating better, taking supplements, going to the gym, sleeping enough, trying to reduce stress. And we have access to the internet. We have so many research studies, so many new superfoods and supplements. We should be healthier than ever. But unfortunately, most people are sick and tired. They struggle with brain fog, low energy, hormonal imbalances, inflammation, and a general sense that their body just isn't working the way it should. Plus, chronic disease rates are at an all-time high. And what's interesting is that for most people, the problem isn't just lack of effort or discipline. It's something much more fundamental. We need to go back to the basics. We are deeply nutrient deficient, not because we're eating badly, even though some of us are, but because the foods we eat simply don't contain what it used to. And the reason for that starts in the soil. If you go back just 100 years ago, nutrient deficiencies were relatively rare. Now most people have them. You might have sufficient vitamins and minerals in your blood, but what about tissue levels? What about all the trace minerals? No one even tests these. So what was different before? Soils were alive, rich in microorganisms, crops were rotated, farming was slower and more balanced, done by people who care about each other. Plants grew in mineral-dense environments, and humans evolved eating those plants and the meat of animals that fed on them. Our bodies adapted to that level of nutrient density, and now we lost it. Today we grow the same crops over and over again. We strip the soil, and we don't replace what's been taken out. On top of that, we spray chemicals that kill not only pests, but also the microorganisms responsible for creating life-giving compounds in the soil. One of the most important of those compounds is fulvic acid, the substance that helps draw minerals from the soil and deliver them directly into plants. In nature, fulvic acid exists alongside humic substances and trace minerals, and together they form the foundation of healthy soil, strong plants, and nutrient-dense foods. Fulvic acid is created through the decomposition of ancient plant matter by microorganisms living in soil. It's a big part of what makes soil fertile, plants resilient, and food nutritious. But when those microorganisms are destroyed, fulvic acid disappears, and so do many of the minerals and trace elements our bodies depend on. That's why today, even with a clean diet, it's often impossible to get everything we need from food alone. This is where Shilajit or fulvic acid come in. Fulvic acid is the main active compound in Shilajit, and Shilajit reflects that same natural intelligence found in healthy soil. It contains a wide spectrum of minerals in their ionic form, meaning the body can actually recognize and absorb them. But what matters even more is how fulvic acid behaves. Fulvic acid is an extremely small molecule with a negative charge that allows it to bind to minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients and transport them directly across cell membranes. This is exactly how plants absorb nutrients from living soil. And when we consume Shilajit, that same mechanism supports mineral balance, enzyme function, bone health, and overall cellular nutrition in the human body. That's why I often call fulvic acid the missing link. One of the first things people notice when taking fulvic acid or Shilajit is a shift in energy. This isn't stimulant energy like caffeine. It works much deeper than that. Fulvic acid supports the mitochondria, the energy factors inside your cells, helping them produce ATP more efficiently. And when your mitochondria work better, everything else works better. Energy becomes more stable, endurance improves, and fatigue slowly starts to lift. This was one of the first things that I noticed myself. Not a sudden boost, but a steady sense of having more energy and motivation throughout the day. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's believed to increase your vitality and the inner force. But the most mind-blowing benefit of fulvic acid is its ability to detoxify the body at a very deep level. Because fulvic acid is so small, it can penetrate cells and bind to heavy metals and toxins that many other detox supplements simply can't reach. Once bound, these toxins become water-soluble and are escorted out of the body instead of being reabsorbed. This includes toxins like mercury, lead, aluminum, and arsenic. And this is why people who feel stuck, who've tried multiple detox protocols with little success, often notice a major shift once fulvic acid is added in. It doesn't replace other detox tools, it amplifies them. When working with people, I like to use Shilajit or fulvic acid in combination with ZEOLITE for best results. Another major benefit is nutrient absorption. On average, we absorb anywhere from 10 to 90% of nutrients from the foods and supplements we consume. That means you can eat a perfect meal and still remain deficient in nutrients. I know, that sounds terrible. Fulvic acid acts as a natural chelator, binding to nutrients and helping to transport them into cells, where they can actually be used. It doesn't just add minerals, it makes everything you consume more effective. Imagine an employee who is very slow and inefficient and now has undergone this transformation and is super efficient, achieving so much more. That's your body on fulvic acid. Fulvic acid and Shilajit also play an important role in hormonal balance and aging. They support the endocrine system and help regulate cortisol, testosterone, estrogen, and thyroid hormones. This can translate into better stress resilience, improved libido, stronger bones, and a slower biological aging process. We are lacking high-quality studies. We know Shilajit works, but we don't know how exactly. At a cellular level, fulvic acid is also a powerful antioxidant. It helps neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and protect mitochondria and cell membranes. Early research even suggests it may interfere with abnormal protein buildup in the brain associated with neurodegenerative conditions, which makes it particularly interesting for long-term brain health. When it comes to Shilajit specifically, men and women experience slightly different benefits. For men, Shilajit has been shown in clinical studies to increase testosterone levels, enhance muscle strength, and support physical performance and libido. These effects become measurable after consistent use over several weeks. For women, Shilajit supports hormonal balance, helps during menopause, supports bone density, and overall improves mineral status and energy levels. Despite often being marketed towards men, Shilajit is equally valuable for women. If I had osteoporosis, I would definitely take Shilajit. We might not have large studies yet, but just knowing that it helps you absorb nutrients better and provides you with all the essential minerals, it is definitely worth it. With Shilajit, there's one thing that cannot be ignored: its quality. The market is full of fake or contaminated Shilajit products. Some contain heavy metals, mold toxins, or don't contain real Shilajit at all. You might just get some contaminated rock powder. Quality matters more than dosage, so I highly recommend to not cut corners here. You want products that are third-party lab tested, free from contaminants, come from a reputable brand, and are naturally high in fulvic acid. Personally, I use pure Himalayan Shilajit. It's harvested at high altitude in the Himalayas, It has around 60% fulvic acid content, and it is lab tested for purity and contaminants. I've been taking it for a couple of years now. Not every single day. It's enough to take it a couple of times a week. I prefer the resin form, but they also offer liquid, tablets, as well as Himalayan or Altai Shilajit resin. I was curious and got myself several different Shilajit products from pure Himalayan Shilajit, and I wanted to see which one is actually best. So the easiest to take is definitely the Himalayan Shilajit tablets. The liquid is also quite easy to take. Just I noticed when making it, it can pour more or less than expected, and the dosage is 3 drops with this one. But it's easy to take it on a go or if you're traveling somewhere. And it will last you a very long time because it has very high servings. But the most traditional form of Shilajit that I really enjoy, which is not as easy to take, is the pure Himalayan Shilajit resin. It looks beautiful. You can mix a pea-sized amount with a glass of warm but not hot water. Some people take it with a bit of warm milk, or warm milk with honey. You can also take it under the tongue, but I have to warn you, it has this potent, earthy, smoked taste. So I prefer taking it with warm water. It's also a great way to test your Shilajit's purity. Poor quality products, full of contaminants, don't dissolve well. Mine dissolves really well in water and has that unique taste that fake products don't. Fake products taste more chemical. What's the best time to take Shilajit? Shilajit is generally best taken on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of its nutrients and active compounds, maximizing its benefits. Taking Shilajit first thing in the morning or between meals is often recommended. Since it can increase energy, it's best to take it earlier in the day rather than late in the evening. For pure fulvic acid supplementation, I also use Fulvic Charge from ZEOLITE Labs. It's clean, third-party tested, and provides a reliable, consistent dose of fulvic acid, together with trace minerals. If you would like to try them out, I'll link both products in the description below. You can use my discount code GRETA. Fulvic acid and Shilajit don't force the body to do anything unnatural. They simply restore what's been missing. And when the body finally has the right tools, it knows exactly what to do. I do try to take natural supplements as much as possible. I do take some more synthetic supplements too, for biohacking purposes. But there's something really special about taking real natural substances like Shilajit that have been used for thousands of years. It's definitely one of my all-time favorite supplements. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below if you've tried Shilajit or fulvic acid before, and what health benefits you noticed. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.